Alright there guys, I am over here in Alabama. We're loading, we're getting a couple steel coils, or I think 5 of them. But I want to show you guys something. So this is Cliff's trailer. He got all his stuff brand new. It's a brand new trailer, yada yada, right? Down here we got one of the boxes. On the other side there's another one. I want to show you guys what's inside this box. It's pretty incredible. Big opening. Look at this. He's got tubs for his binders. Down there his chains. There's his tarps. They're brand new. I guess he's used them once. So I'll use them here for his second time. All right. That's that side. I'll show you the other side. Hold on. Okay. So here's the other side. This is where he keeps all the straps and stuff. See how neat and tidy that is? That's what I want. That's how I want to set mine up. He's got all of his strap protectors in there. This one over here. You can't see, but there's bungee straps in there. You got brand new straps. Basically all the equipment's brand new. So you can see why I have a little bit of toolbox envy. Alright, well we're going to get loaded here eventually and we'll be on our way. RV there yet? That didn't make any sense. Alright, that's cute. right, so TA and Petro have been out here. The truck stops been out for a long time. They're all over the country. And now I don't know what it was like before the pandemic. I can only speak to what it was like back in the 90s. And back then, their restaurants were 24/7. They were open on Christmas Day, New Year's Day, Thanksgiving Day. Didn't matter, you know. And I ate at them on those days. There were several Christmases that I spent at truck stops, several Thanksgivings that I spent at truck stops. And I was very thankful that their restaurants were open and that you could get a decent meal. But I think that with the pandemic, they thought they could just start closing their restaurants up. So it seems that the Country Pride and the Iron Skillet close at 9 p.m. They open at 6 a.m. Except on Sundays when they close at 6 p.m. Are you kidding me? 6 p.m. you close your restaurant. 6. Now, I don't know about any of the rest of y'all, but Sunday dinner used to be like somewhat of a big thing, but it was at like 6 p.m., right? You know, generally speaking, dinner was at 6 p.m. and Sunday was no exception. Right? Sunday might have been the rule. So, what, you close at 6? Are you freaking high? So, I don't know about these guys. I may be about done with TAs and Petros, because not having any way to get any hot meal after 6 p.m., that's bullshit. That's bullshit. So, Holly's over here taking a nap. Where is she? Oh, she's down there. She's down there taking a nap. So, that's about it. We're hanging out. We deliver in the morning. One coil to Lancaster, Pennsylvania for coil number 1, and then over into New Jersey. It's only 2 hours away, 124 miles, and we'll drop off coil number 2, and then hopefully we'll get another load and get moving again. All right, so that's where we're at, and I will see you guys on the unload.